No, I told Lisa she's going to have to deliver the chairs. No, she knew that. I told her that. Everyone else is on bikes, okay? She's the only one who can do it.
Bert? Bert, are you home? Bert? Bert? Text or something. Let me know you're okay. Pick up your phone. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Hi, my name is Gary. I'm looking for my friend, and I was wondering if you've seen him.
Seen your friend?
Yeah. On my phone, I can see his GPS location, and it says he's somewhere around here. The last phone conversation we had was disconcerting.
I see.
So that's what I'm doing. I was wondering if maybe you've talked to him or seen him outside, or...
So strange how you can use phones these days.
Yeah, I know.
I still have my landline, although I do have a cell phone, but I don't think mine can do that.
It's kind of a new thing.
Well, I haven't seen your friend.
Well, he goes jogging out here after work sometimes. I'll check some of these other houses.
You might try that house next door. The young man who lives there seems to spend a lot of time watching the neighborhood.
Really? I'll try that. Thank you.
Nice to talk to you.
Yes?
That's Bert's hat.
I'm sorry, can I help you with something?
Yeah, my name is Gary. I'm looking for my partner, and according to his GPS, he's lost in this area. He's a big Red Sox fan, and that's his hat.
No, that's my hat. I'm a fan too. Listen, Gary, those GPS signals on your phone, I used to work on the software for that kind of stuff, and still got a lot of,
What?
imprecisions. I can understand what you're going through, of course. Believe me, if my wife vanished, I would use every tool at my disposal to try and track her down. What do you do, Gary?
For work? I teach. I'm a high school calculus teacher.
Really? That's fantastic. I'm in genetics myself. My parents always warned me that gay teachers were poisoning our youth, but I seem to remember thinking that seemed a bit far-fetched.
Good.
You want to come in for a second? It's no trouble, really.
Hi.
Tracy, Gary. Gary, Tracy.
Hello.
Hello.
Gary here's looking for his boyfriend, who I guess disappeared somewhere around here.
Right.
Oh. Well, I've been inside tidying up most of the day, but Dennis has been outside watching birds since 11.
Well, I did have the binoculars up to my eyes most of the time, so I guess my field of vision was kind of narrow.
Yeah, the lady next door said that you spend a lot of time outside, so...
Well, try to. I mean, I know it seems like a retired person's kind of hobby, but once you get into it, it kind of evolves on its own.
My dad used to watch birds.
Would you like some lemonade?
No, I didn't want to disturb you.
Oh, no worries. We're just relaxing, enjoying our day off.
Do you mind if I use your restroom?
No, be my guest. First door on the right, down the hall.
Thanks.
Hey, this is Bert, sorry I couldn't get to the phone. Leave a message and I'll get right back to you. Bye.
Dennis is fascinated by birds, the architecture of their wings. He's been obsessed with flight for as long as I've known him. It was a little odd at first, but I suppose it's better than being married to a football fan. Now I find it almost as interesting as he does. I mean, we've all had those dreams of soaring through the sky, tasting the clouds, all that freedom. I think Dennis has even more of those dreams than the rest of us. Flight seems so fantastic to people, but for birds it's just second nature, you know? All that freedom is a natural part of their consciousness.
Hollow bones. Hollow bones. That's how they do it.
Of course, their digestive and respiratory system is specialized for flight as well.
Interesting.
Yes, it is.
Thanks for letting me use your restroom.
Of course. I hope you find your friend. Boyfriend.
I hope so too. You know, socks haven't been the same since they lost A-Rod.
I know. What can you do?
Thanks again.
The Birdman.
Who is the Birdman?
A lot of people.
Is that your house?
No, his.
conclusions, then just